Ever feel like you're running on empty and the day just got started? And it's not because you skipped breakfast, but because your mental energy tank is already blinking red. What if I told you that constantly feeling zapped could be a red flag saying, warning, burnout ahead? But what does emotional exhaustion actually look like? You know, when you come home, flop on the couch and zone out, the next thing you know, you're just ready for bed. Not because you wanted to do that, but because you just can't do anything else. So you're there, not really there. You don't have the time to spend with your family and forget about a social life. Thinking is just too much work right now. And it's not just being physically tired. We're talking, where did I put my brain? I can't find my words, tired. It's as if small tasks are like hiking up a mountain and two big flip flops, kind of exhausting. If you're feeling like that, yeah, you're emotionally and mentally exhausted. Got several team members that fit this profile? It might be time to address burnout in your organization. If that sounds like you, call me. I'm here to support you in blocking burnout out of your life and designing a life of harmony. Seriously, don't wait until you're running on fumes. Schedule your free discovery call today.